Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to study about a thing which is very important in our life, without which we cannot live. Can you guess what is it? Yes, absolutely right. It is water. Without water we cannot live. So let us see today. Water on the earth is found in which forms? Here you can see. We find water on the leaves as a dewdrops. Then water vapors. Water as ice. 3/4 of our earth, 3/4 of our earth is covered by water. It is very precious thing in our life. Children, you all know the uses of water, and also you have some ideas about from where do we get the water. So let us see again what are the sources of water. Here you can see the sources of the water are river, pond, sea, oceans, tube wells, hand pump. And now tell me, in your city, which is a river flowing in your city? Yes, it is Narmada river, which is flowing in a city. So we get water from the river Narmada in a city. Children, let us see now what are different uses of water. Yes, you start guessing what are the different uses of water. Water is used for washing, bathing, cooking, and even for growing plants. You need water for growing plants. Okay? And also you need water for many other things, such as producing electricity. We need water. Children, we know that water is very precious. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to save water. Okay? Now how can we save water? In school, what do? When you go to the tap, you open the tap to drink water, and then after using the tap, sometimes you don't close the tap. Okay? And you just run to your classroom. So you should not do that. Remember now, always whenever you open the tap, after using the water, you are supposed to close the tap. Okay? Same way at home, we should not waste the water. Okay? In kitchen, you go and see when mamas are using the water for washing, or your maids, they use water for washing. What do? They open the tap and the water is just running. No? Water flows continuously. So tell them not to waste water. Only when they need water, they should open the tap and then close the tap after using the water. Okay? You should not leave the water flowing continuously. Like this we can save the water. And also the water which we use it for washing, like washing rice, washing dal, what we do? We just throw that water away. So instead of throwing that water away, what we can do? We can use that water for watering our plants at home. In this way we can save water. Okay. Even at home we find that papas, what do? Or your elder brothers, they wash their bicycle or motorbikes, or papa washes their car with the pipes. Isn't it? They connect the pipe to the tap and they use the pipe for washing the car. That they should not do. Okay? Instead of washing the car with the pipe, what we can do? We can use buckets of water. In this way we can save some water from it. And even in toilets, you should only use the water which is required. Okay? Don't misuse water. Every drop of water is precious. So let us today we all promise ourselves that we will not waste water at all. Every drop of water will be saved. Okay?